Alright, so hi guys. So I hope everybody's doing well. In this video, we're going to solve this system by substitution. So I think in the last example, we did it by elimination, if I'm correct. But this time we're going to do it by substitution. Now, this is one problem that we can do by substitution, because if you have an x by itself like this or anything, if there's any, if there is no number in front of the x variable or y variable, you can do it by substitution, or elimination. You can do it by elimination as well, but you know, sometimes, if you want to do it by substitution, you can. However, if there is a number greater than 1, or let's say, less than -1, then you would have to do it by elimination. It would just be the easier method. But like I said, in this case, substitution works. So let's get started. So here we have x plus 3y equals 4. So number 1, notice that the x is by itself here. Well, it is just one x there. So so what this is gonna be, so let this be equation 1, and let this be equation 2, okay? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and actually, okay, so now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab x plus 3y equals 4, and we are gonna isolate x in terms of y. Okay, so what this is going to be, we're going to subtract x on both sides. We have 3y equals 4 minus x. I'm sorry, excuse me. We're going to subtract 3y on both sides. So we're going to have x equals 4 minus 3y. So we know that this is going to be new equation 1. So that I know that for this first equation, this is going to turn into x equals 4 minus 3y. So this is new equation 1. And now what we're going to do is number 2, we're going to substitute x equals 4 minus 3y into equation 2 and simplify. So we're going to do, so equation 2 is negative 2x plus 5y equals negative 19. So negative 2x plus 5y equals negative 19. Now we're going to go ahead and substitute. So this is going to go, so now this, like I said, this here is going to go in here. So it's going to go right here. So we have negative 2, parentheses, 4 minus 3y plus 5y equals negative 19. And then we're going to go ahead and distribute. So now we're going to just solve for y algebraically. Okay, so we're going to solve for y algebraically. So here we have, so by distributive property, we are going to get the following. So negative 8 plus 6y plus 5y equals negative 19. And then we have negative 8 plus 11y equals negative 19. We're going to go ahead and add 8 to both sides. So, and then we have negative 11, I'm sorry, we have 11y equals negative 11. And then we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 11. And we have y equals negative 1. Now, you want to grab So now step number 3. You want to go ahead and substitute y equal -1 into x equals, and it was 4 minus 3y, and simplify. So we have x equals 4 minus 3y. So I know that, again, the -1 goes in here. So then we have x equals 4 minus 3 times -1. Okay, so here we have x is equal to 4, and then minus 3 times -1, it's plus 3. So then x is equal to 7. And then number 4, finally, state solution as ordered pair. X comma y. So the solution is going to be 7 comma -1. So if y'all want to see how this is, let me go ahead and let's look at Desmos right quick. Give me a second, guys. So as y'all can see, this is going to be the solution here, which is the intersection between x plus 3y equals 4 and -2x plus 5y equals -19. So that is how we know that this ordered pair is a solution. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. If anybody has any questions, let me know. Thank y'all so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.